Commercial real estate has hundreds of disciplines.
I am the CEO of Coke Development.
I'm the Senior Director of Architecture at Qualcomm Technologies.
I'm Executive Vice President of Office Leasing and Sales.
Managing Partner and VP of Asset Management.
Executive Vice President for the RMS Group of Companies.
And I'm a property tax attorney with Siegel Jennings.
There's so much depth in commercial real estate. There's so much you can do in so many different facets of the business.
When you look at the world, right, whether you look at the chairs or the carpet or the building or your schools, all of those things came from the land and somebody built them and put them there.
To build a building on that land, you need an attorney, you need a planner, an architect, an engineer. So there's so many disciplines.
If you think about it, commercial real estate touches everyone's lives. They stay at hotels, they go shopping, they go out to eat, they go to the movie theater. So for me, commercial real estate was really intriguing because so many different people use it and touch it.
As a property tax attorney, what I do is I help commercial real estate owners monitor those taxes, make sure that they're fair. I also help buyers and sellers figure out the tax consequences when they're buying or selling.
As we are real estate developers, we have a construction company, and then we're also a licensed property management brokerage.
I like being able to help people, and not in the sense of residential real estate where you're helping people in a more emotional manner. This is a very business decision, commercial real estate, and that's what I was really interested in.
So a CFO is a Chief Financial Officer. They have more experience in the accounting, the numbers, the math, the spreadsheets, working with banks, etc. The CEO is Chief Executive Officer, and they do more of leading the entire organization.
No architecture project is done solely by the architect, right? You're going to end up working with a structural engineer. You're going to work with mechanical, electrical, plumbing engineers. You're going to work with facilities people and end users. And there's all these different groups that you have an impact on, and you have to be able to collaborate.
I'm the liaison for Coral Realty, our property managers, to our owners, which entails making sure that the property is looking great, making sure the financials are great for the property, as well as making sure that our investors and owners are happy how we're managing the properties and making sure that their money is being invested well.
So we manage, we build, and we develop buildings. Anything from schools to convenience stores, to grocery stores, to shops, to apartment buildings. Effectively, we can do everything from taking a piece of land, developing it, subdividing it, putting in, sewer and water services, building on it, and then turning it over for substantial completion, and then managing it as a long-term asset.
Now Revit provides a 3D perspective of what you're building. So the structural engineer can build their 3D model, the engineering team can build their 3D model, and then you can actually do what we call conflict resolution, right? You can actually see the challenges you might have in the construction before it even happens.
On the daily, I make phone calls to clients. I do research to see what properties are available, how much the properties cost. I take clients on tours of office buildings, help them write proposals to lease or to purchase an office building, help them negotiate those terms, and then I assist them with their lawyer in finalizing their lease or their purchase contract. So I'm in the office some and I'm out of the office some every day.
So commercial real estate has a whole bunch of different things underneath it. It's like this big umbrella. So I touch finance, I touch mortgages, I touch construction, architecture, engineering, electrical, mechanical, property management, rent collections, just an absolute huge menagerie of things, which is why I really like the industry, because it is really unique and not every day is the same.